All right, class, how you guys doing? Hope all is well. Hope you guys are awake. So today, you guys are going to be working on two worksheets: level two practice, okay, and practice number three. Okay, two worksheets, and we talk about in which they talk about the domain, the range, and whether or not it's a function. And as a reminder, what is a function? Okay, a function is a relation from a set of inputs. So remember, a set of inputs, okay, which is normally an x, to a set of possible outputs, which is normally the y. So when you have these coordinates, you have your input and your output. Okay, sometimes when you have a table, the input is on the left and the output's on the right. So it's a relation. These two have a relationship. All right, the x, y. All right, so it's a relation from a set of inputs to a set of possible outputs where each input, okay, and this is very important, each input is related to exactly one output. So you can only have one output, okay? Not two outputs. All right, so what does that mean? Well, let's look at the x's, all right? So these are your x's, all right? So right here. So right here is your x's. So do you see? Oh, hold on. Oh, oh, yeah, x's. Oi, oi, oi. Here are your x's. Here are your x's. Here are your x's. X, X, X. Yeah, your x and then your y. Your x, y. Anyway, so for each input, you only have one output. So you have here, this is your input 2, you got one output. You got this input, you got one output. This input has one output. This input has one output. But mister, they got two of the same. It doesn't matter. The definition of function is each input is related to one output. So this is a function. It's a function. It's a function. Ow. So what makes it not a function? So when an input has another output. So like if someone has another girlfriend, no, you can't do that, okay? There you go. So it's like a, boyfriend, girlfriend, boyfriend, girlfriend, boyfriend, girlfriend, boyfriend, girlfriend. And then you have boyfriend with another girlfriend. So no. So this is no function. All right? No. You can't do that. No se hace. It's not right. Okay? All right? So now, what about if I see it in a different format? Okay? What if I have, you're going to see it in this format: 12, 8, 7, 5, and then you're going to see a line. Okay? You're going to see a line, and let's say this is 8, this is 3, this is negative 1, and this is 7. Okay? Is that a function? Well, yeah, here's your input. It won't tell you, but the left is normally your input. All right? And this is your output. So here, okay, input, got an output. Input, got an output. Input, got an output. Input. So that's a function. Got a function. Now, what makes it not a function? When, let's say this 8 also is going to use this 8. All right, so this input has now two outputs. So no, you can't do that. No se puede. That is a no. So that means that it's not a function, okay? Not a function. No function. Go, No stress. Go, come on. All right, so now they're also going to give you a different type of problem. Okay, they're going to do, again, oh, and then with these, when we find the domain, okay, basically you use the set notation 12, 8, 7, 5. Set notation. And then the range is what? All right, so go ahead and do the range. 8, 3, -1, 7. All right. So remember, you only write it once. Dos, tres, ta. So with the domain, if you see, for example, if you see, right here you had 8 twice, but you only write it once. All right. You don't write the domain twice. It doesn't make sense. All right, and if you have the range, let's say you have another one and you have, let's say, 6 and that's connected to 7, you only write the 7 once. Don't write it twice, okay? So far, so good? All right, and then you might see a table like this. Buenísima. So you might see this. This. All right, I'm going to do baseball teams. Here we go. Dodgers. Angels. Padres. A's. Giants. Dodgers. Okay. And then your output is going to be LA. Disneyland. Next to Disneyland. San Diego, Oakland, San Francisco, and let's say LA is Silver Lake. All right, hey, okay, so here we go. So what do we do? So here is this a function. Remember, for each input, you only get one output, one, not two answers. All right, so you have the Dodgers, Angels, Padres, A's, Giants. Wait, you have the Dodgers again. So you have Dodgers with Silver Lake. So this whole table is no function. No function. All right? Dijeron. Now, what about the range? How about uno, dos? Listen. Dos, tres. There you go. Okay, so now the domain is Dodgers, Angels, Padres, A's, Giants, all in a set notation, but do not put Dodgers again, all right? And then what about your output? Set notation, and you're going to write LA, Disneyland, San Diego, Oakland, San Francisco, Silver Lake. But Mr. Silver Lake is in LA. It doesn't matter. It's different little city within LA, all right? So only if you see it twice, then just write it once. And that's it. Ya estufa. We are done. So that's all you got to do. So remember, your homework is these functions, all right? And it's going to tell you, all right? So here we go. I'm lower. So here we go. So again, remember this, okay? Here's a diagram, domain, range, function. So remember, okay, 0 with the 0, 1 with the 1, -1 with the 1. All right? So this is technically a function because you only use this one. All right? The 1 has a 1, that's okay, and the -1 has another one. No, that's fine. Okay? It's for each input has only one output. All right? So be careful with that. You have your X and Y's right here. You got your circles, same thing. All right? You got your words. And try your best. And that's it. All right? For each input, there's only one output. You can't use an input twice and have two outputs. All right. And that's it. Let me see. Oh, it's blurry. It's blurry. It's blurry. Okay, there it is. All right, guys. I am done. Take care. Adios. Mira. All right, later.